All right, so the first thing we're going to do is turn on the rear stove. Get that lit. We are going to start with some olive oil. And we don't have a knife. Here's our knife. And this onion was cut wrong, so it's just make it a little harder for us to get this ready. And we will dice this up. Now, if you wanted to, you could keep it long, which might be nice. So we're going to get that going. In the meantime, I want part of this. Let's get a spatula. It's probably some medium. Lower that just down. Let's lower it to low. So, man, that smells good. I need this. I just need some pieces off of here. This is all I need. And use this paper towel. I like to take my paper towel. Put some eggs here. Put my cutting board on it like that. That way we can just kind of get the stuff we don't want. I'm just getting the seeds out of here. Just go ahead and cut that off. All right. There's that. And then an orange one. Again, we don't need all of it. But start this up. Nope, let's stir this first. Those onions going, but need some flame, some chopsticks. I'm gonna wet the ends. All I did was run it under water for a second. And then light on fire. Gonna roast these real quick. So I can leave that there because I have some garlic here. Oh, I thought we'd put these underwater. All right, we are just gonna roast these up. All right, next time. All right, it's gonna be noisy for just a second. Right, that's just burning. Hold on. We ran it underwater again. Look. I think you get the idea. Alright, so those aren't perfect. We're going to set them aside, but you get the idea. We'd want those more roasted, technically. These green peppers, just roast them as much as you want. I absolutely want those roasted more than that, and then once they got super roasted, the outside would be charred, so we would just brush off the black charred part, and we still have this piece of garlic we want in here. So we got this garlic piece. We got some skin, we're going to throw that in here. More garlic. That going. Going to clean up as we go. Turn around into the trash. Hopefully it doesn't light on fire. We have paprika. We've loaded that up with paprika. Keep it going. Good plate. We have our plate. Fairly hot. Stirring it. Probably crank this all the way up until it starts smoking. We're trying to hurry. We can still clean up as we go. Alright, that is starting to smoke. We have it on too high because we're trying to hurry. So let's go ahead and take this off. If it was me, that's just hot. Let's turn this all the way down. We are going to get some butter. Let's grab us some butter. Some bread. Put that on there like that. Some more butter for the other side. Get that bread toasted. I have ghee here as well. Didn't use it, we just used the olive oil. Normally I would do this in 2 steps, but let's go ahead and break our egg. Here, let us see if I can pull this up just a little bit. Yep, it's cooking faster than I wanted. The only reason, whoop, dang it. Come on, bread, get out of the way. Here, we're gonna move the bread. And throw our bread over here. seems to be sticking today for some reason. Probably because we're, nope, running low. Probably just kind of hot. I wasn't originally going to scramble these. I just wanted to chop them up a little bit, but it looks like we're headed towards scrambled. Roll these over. Push that in tight. We can clean all of this up right now. We'll turn this off. And what else do we have to clean up? Get this off. This and this lonely piece of onion. This is going to the dishwasher. Oh, we were premature. We need this for our eggie. Gonna fill, let me put some water in here real quick. I like to put water in there just in case for some reason we leave it on, and clean the rest of that out in a second. And here we go.